This video we are going to learn how to change orientation of pages in Microsoft Word. To change the orientation, let's come to Layout tab, and you can find orientation option under Page Setup group. There are two types of orientation, portrait and landscape. Now this document is in portrait. I want to change it to landscape. Let me come over here and zoom in. And I want to change the whole document. I have two pages here. I want to change it to portrait again. Now you can see both documents change to portrait. And same option, I can find it under page setup, more option, by going over here, little arrow, click on it. And you can find the orientation under page setup, more options. So I have portrait and I have a landscape. Let's go back to the document. Say this document, I want to keep first page in portrait and I want to change the second page to landscape. To do that, I'm going to come to the second page and highlight and go back to more options, and I'm going to change to landscape and come down over here. You see over here apply to, drop down menu, select a text and say OK. Now you can see how the difference. First page I have it in portrait, second page I have it in landscape. Also you can find orientation option under File, Print, under Settings. You have both landscape and portrait. And if you select a orientation from here, it's going to change your entire document.